What's going on, everyone? My name is Jay Seals. Thank you so much for tuning into the ClearCryptos channel. And today we are getting into Amazon because they are getting into NFTs. And you know, Amazon's one of the largest companies in the world. So them getting into crypto is a great sign for what's coming for crypto. So let's get right into it. So the Amazon is launching a digital asset enterprise, according to 4 sources familiar with the matter, who said that an NFT initiative is expected in the spring. And the publicly traded Goliath is said to have a little more than a dozen crypto native partners on deck to get things off the ground. Can you imagine being one of those partners? I mean, that'll be huge for whatever crypto business ends up partnering with Netflix on, this one particular project that they have going on. So there's a focus on blockchain-based gaming and NFT applications, 2 sources said. One example in the works, per one source, getting Amazon customers to play crypto games and claim free NFTs in the process, which, I mean, that'd be pretty dope. I would play the NFT game so that I can get a crypto game to get a free NFT. The effort is still developing, sources said. April appears to be or have been penciled in for the e-commerce giant to make its bold crypto ambitions public. Amazon executives leading the push reached out to at least one familiar office in recent months. One of the sources said at the time, the plan in its early iteration was to do at least one NFT drop with an artist. The same source said Amazon Web3 blueprint appears to have significantly evolved since. It wasn't immediately clear who, in terms of personnel, is leading Amazon's NFT initiative. Details about the platform, which would include certain NFT gaming initiatives, are still unfolding. But 2 sources said the platform is set to run out of Amazon proper, rather than its popular web hosting platform, Amazon Web Services. An additional 4 source said Amazon had been exploring a number of other Web3 initiatives of late. When it comes to both the platform and Amazon's additional crypto forays, a number of internal hires would likely be a prerequisite. While Amazon Web Services has posted occasional roles for developers and engineers in the Web3 realm, the e-commerce site is not as well known for exploring crypto or blockchain areas or arenas. And Amazon Coins program continues to exist following an introduction in 2013, but it is more akin to a straightforward loyalty program than a crypto initiative. Andy Jassy, the CEO of Amazon, has previously stated that he is open to the company selling NFTs and that the company is not closing the door on cryptocurrencies generally. Over 2.5 million users have so far interacted with OpenSea, and leading NFT marketplace today by trading volume, according to Dunn Analytics. AWS recently inked a partnership with Ava Labs, the company behind the Avalanche blockchain, which Iman Gunsayer of Ava described as a huge boon for both individual and enterprise developers to be able to spin up nodes and test networks on the fly with AWS in whatever legal jurisdiction makes the most sense for them. A representative for Amazon did not immediately return a request for comment because why would they, right? But I do think that this is really big for NFTs and the gaming space. The fact that they're going to merge both of them together, play the game, get the NFT. You're talking about a massive amount of people that use Amazon, me being one of them, right? You couldn't go anywhere without somebody using Amazon. Pretty much everybody uses Amazon nowadays. So this just goes even more forward to the crypto adoption that's coming. People that know nothing about crypto will see this game because Amazon made it, and they'll play it, and then they'll get an NFT, and then bam, now they have this NFT. If this NFT ever becomes worth something, now they start getting interested, and then from there they start diving into crypto. This is what we mean by crypto adoption, and it takes these large companies to start getting into crypto so that the mainstream will start to adopt it themselves. But that's all I got for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching the ClearCryptos channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.